Okay, this is the other 750 SS. 94 also they're matching. This one's 35. That one's 34. I have registrations. Okay, now I've already primed the fuel in the carburetor. Alright, I've hooked up my water's pumping. I walk around here to the back. This is good flow. Walk around up there. See that one? Right up there. Come see it. It's right there. That's flowing nice. Everything's nice and clear. Come around. Hey, how you doing today? Now, this is my, I believe it's a 94 Kawasaki SS, 750 SS rather. Now, I've already turned the water on. This is a driveway start, so I got a hose connected. Now, this is start up with the new battery. I have primed the motor with fuel. Okay, there's my hookup right there. I'm gonna got my one hand here on the throttle. And okay, there she runs and idles. Starts right off the bat with a little prime. And like I said, there's a little pump in there. Well, that's not pumping, it's just pumping through. The water's nice and clean, there's no rust, there's no nothing in there. Coming out of where she should. She has plenty of flow.